Hello, I'm Mary Kurzweil with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is brought to you by CattleFax, the deciding factor. Seasonal factors are really starting to weigh on the markets as kills have begun to move higher and the beef cutout is seeing a rollover. Fed slaughter was the second highest week of the year last week at 505,000 head. This week is on pace to be another strong week with estimates at or above 98,000 head through Thursday. Larger kills has made for larger supplies of beef available, helping to drive the lower cutout prices. From Thursday to Thursday, the composite cutout moves $6.50 lower. Most of that decrease has come from the choice cutout, which moves $7.41 lower in that time, while the select just declined 97 cents. These moves have taken the choice select cutout from $21.14 down to $14.79. This spread is about even with last year at this time, but the lower move is counter-seasonal. Normally the spread has a clear upward trend from March into June. Demand for middle meats ahead of Memorial Day, Father's Day, and the 4th of July provides support to push prices higher. We did see this as the spread grew into last week, but for the time being, it appears that quite a bit of product has been secured and buyers have been less aggressive for the choice and higher product. Part of this is also likely that a higher percentage of beef production is grading choice and better, and especially upper 2/3 choice and better when compared to last year and comparing to the 5-year average. The last 6 weeks have been about 2% more slaughter grading in the upper 2/3 choice or prime compared to last year in the 5-year average. Demand for quality should keep the spread from moving a lot lower, but seasonal weakness in beef and elevated grade may continue to apply pressure. In this week's markets, moderate fed cattle cash trade occurred in the South, with prices steady at $170. The North saw moderate trade volumes as well, at mostly $2 higher at $178 live and $280 to $282 dressed. The feeder cattle index gained about $2 to go to 202.61. Tight supplies and more moisture seen throughout the country are expected to continue to support feeders and calves. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.